This is the U1 Spot Carpet Cleaner. So this is a cleaner. You can see I've been using it, pretty gross. This is where you put the clean water. So pretty simple to set up. Clean water goes there, dirty water gets sucked into there. It does have some filters and things like that. You put this on here. It's got multiple settings: steam setting, hot setting, normal water setting, and then off. Okay, I have tested this out in a few spots. You can see here, this was a big spot, pretty embarrassing in the basement. This is basically just old rugs that we have for the kids. But you can see I've cleaned it in two places. So you can see I sprayed it here, and to mention, that's how you get the soap onto the rug. They give you this, and I actually have used it over here. There's a big spot over here as well that I cleaned out. You can see, I don't know what the kids spilled, some kind of crayons, I don't know. Don't know what this is, but you spray this first, then you basically turn this on. It's gonna be a little loud. So I'll just put it on. And then you have this wand, right? Then you hit the button that's here, and the water's gonna come out here. See that water? You spray it down, and then you can, if I go across now, maybe I'll get rid of this. I actually never sprayed this. But yeah, look at that, comes right out. Sucks basically scrubs it and cleans it, and then sucks all the water back out. Okay. I think you get the picture. It's very portable. It's got a very long cord, as you can see. It also comes with different attachments, so I can take this off like that. This is a steam attachment. You put this to steam, and this will blow out steam. Also comes with a few other attachments, which I'll show you right here. So it comes with this. This actually attaches to there if you want to clean fabric. And then this part attaches to this. Actually, I don't know how this one works, but this one attaches somehow. This is like more of a brush. So I guess if you had if you wanted to like brush in the soap, you can even do it like this and then just use the wand. But it looks like it attaches somehow. I just don't know exactly, honestly don't know exactly how that would work. It might attach actually to here. Oh yeah, so this would be like a steamer. So if you wanted to steam while like cleaning something, so this would be like a steam crevice and a steam brush. So pretty neat. Very portable, very small, you know, just for those little jobs. You want to pull it out, clean up something that's spilled. Very long cable. I like that it's small. It's not going to take up a lot of room. It's got a nice carrying handle, and it does come with the soap. But of course you could, once you run out of this, you could use, you know, whatever soap you want. I've tried a couple different soaps and it seems to work fine. All right, this is the U1 Spot Cleaner.